Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices, Motorola TV and your phone, on the same Wi-Fi network because mirroring uses local streaming. Once done, enable screen mirroring or cast on the TV so it becomes discoverable. Remember the TV device name. Next, on your phone, open the quick settings or the casting option in display settings and scan. You do this now to create a handshake between devices. If the TV asks, accept pairing to allow the stream. You select the Motorola TV name from your phone's cast list, and you should allow permissions. This authorizes the connection. Once connected, make sure the TV is on the correct input or in the Cast/Miracast app so it displays the incoming signal. If video or audio seems off, adjust the phone's cast settings for resolution or scaling. This corrects cropping or lag. Also, close background apps to free CPU. Smoother streams come from fewer competing processes. You finish by stopping mirroring through your phone's quick settings or the TV's cast menu, which cleanly releases resources. If discovery fails or you see stutter, restart the router, reboot both devices, and try again. Network refreshes often fix intermittent issues. If wireless fails repeatedly, use a wired HDMI adapter for your phone. This bypasses Wi-Fi problems. One key troubleshooting tip: test another phone to isolate whether the issue is the TV, the network, or your original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.